Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm going to show you guys how to fix the DirectX errors. Here is the error message right here on the center of your screen. I'm just going to show you guys how to fix this issue because this has now been going on for me for about 2 months. And I just kind of want to get this thing sorted out and so you guys can actually have some fun and play the game. This is the second video I'm making on this matter. Just because the first video got patched, doesn't work anymore. It might work sometimes for other people, but for me, this is what I did to actually make the game work. So the first thing I did is, as you can tell, I'm in Call of Duty. All I did was I went to NVIDIA control panel. Now that you guys are inside the NVIDIA control panel, you guys are going to want to go to manage 3D settings and you're going to want to press restore. What this does, it resets it back to the complete defaults for 3D settings. That's just another thing that you guys should do. I highly recommend that you guys do this. For the next thing you guys want to do, which is very, very stupid, but you're going to have to do it. You're going to have to run the game without a protocol, and that protocol is Steam's protocol. So you're going to have to go to properties, and when you guys are in properties, you guys want to go to browse, and you're going to want to go down until you see bootstrapper.exe. Before you even click bootstrapper.exe, you're going to have to double click Call of Duty.exe and wait for that to just wait like a second until that blue dot goes away, and then double click bootstrapper.exe. You're gonna see this with it's gonna say it's launching the game with custom arguments, and you're ignoring this. I'm gonna blur this out just in case this is personal information, but if you do see an argument here, it looks like gibberish. That is, you're just completely ignoring that parameter. So you're gonna click continue, and it's gonna launch the game just how it is in Steam. It's just you're not using that parameter. Another thing you guys should have open is also MSI Afterburner. MSI Afterburner is pretty huge to have on, especially whenever you're dealing with these types of situations, as it tells you what engine you're using as well as all your crucial information. For me, my game won't work unless I have MSI Afterburner installed and turned on, especially with Riva Tuner. If I don't have any of this, the game will not work. So if you guys are experiencing any issues, I highly recommend you guys use MSI Afterburner whenever you guys are playing Call of Duty. The next thing you guys want to do is go into the Black Ops 6 and then go to settings and then go to graphics. Here are my graphic settings for display and quality in view. The biggest things here for display are VSync, and VSync is very huge because it also works with the graphical textures. VSync just works by limiting your frame rate to your refresh rate on your monitor. On this game, it seems that it's broken, so just have it always off. It's not worth having it on if it's just going to constantly cause your game to crash. For menu rendering, just have it to optimal, and then for HDR, completely turn it off. For quality, as you can tell, I have dynamic resolution off as well as upscaling, and I'm running the game fully natively at 1080p. I'm using a GTX 1080 graphics card, and it manages just fine with this much load on it. I have everything set to low, my VRAM scale target is set to 50, and variable rate shading off. This also includes AMD FSR3 frame generation because I have an AMD CPU. For details and textures, I have everything off or very low, and then for environment, I have everything off except for volumetric quality, which you cannot turn off. You can just have it to low, which is fine. Now that this is completed, your game should be fairly stable to launch a couple of games and go play. And here's an actual clip of me playing the game fully flawlessly. And as you can tell, this fix does work. If it doesn't work, please leave a comment below and I can see if I can try to help you. Again, this is a very stupid thing, especially whenever you buy the game for around $110 Canadian. Which is kind of just disappointing. That's all I have for this video. If you guys like the video, make sure to leave it a like. And if you have any comments, make sure to send it inside the comment section. I'll take a look. Anyways, take it easy.